Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the forks on a Triumph Tiger 800. The Tiger needs the fork oil changing every 24,000 miles or 4 years. Like all fluids on the bike, it will benefit from this regular maintenance. Today I'm going to show you how to strip everything off in order to either replace just the oil or to change the seals and dust caps as well. Firstly, raise the front wheel off the ground. If you have a centre stand, use it and then either tie the back of the bike down or put some weight on the back seat to make the bike tilt backwards. Before you begin to take the forks off, I would recommend that you loosen this top cap, as you will struggle to do so once the forks are off. This is 32 millimeters and you can only really get in with a spanner. To remove the calipers, you need to unclip the hoses from the mudguard. Undo the bolts with a 12 millimeter socket or spanner and hang the calipers from the bike to prevent damaging the hoses. Remove the front wheel by loosening these pinch bolts, then undoing the axle bolt, which needs a 17 millimeter hex key. Carefully lower the wheel and then you can take the two fork protectors off, and then the mudguard. These are removed with a 5 millimeter hex Allen key. Now come the forks. Each is held on by two clamps. Loosen but don't remove the bolt on both the upper and the lower clamps. Now twist in a downward motion and slide the fork out. You'll need to put this somewhere where it's supported and out of the way. So I've made two hooks out of an old coat hanger. Make a note of where all your cables go. Most of them are going in front of the fork, but the clutch cable comes inside. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to come back and watch part 2.